in general, so the cost, it says, how much does it cost to start up a new business? How much money do you think someone should have in the bank before they even start?
So when I started my med spa 18 years ago, I raised $200,000 and I was going to go to the moon. I built a location that was 3,000 square feet and I was planning on doing it right. I was getting fancy equipment and hot shots, and $200,000 you guys 18 years ago is probably like, I don't know, $300,000 or $400,000 today. But knowing what I know today, somebody can probably start a med spa if they're doing injections only and no technology for probably $10,000, $20,000 max, something like that. Not that you're going to spend all the first month. If somebody wants to get in the world of technology, also that's where it gets pricey, because these lasers cost $100,000 a piece. You got to put down a down payment of 20 grand. You're making payments of $1,500 a month, so little pricier. So if you got technology involved, I'd say rather than 10 or 20 grand to start a business, you're probably gonna need 50 to 150 grand to start a business, just because technology can be a little bit more expensive and those things there. So I would say a low of 10 grand to a high of 150 grand, based on what you want to do.